Hey guys, it is the Webbuster here, and welcome back to another vlog. And what we're going to be doing in this vlog is sort of like an update video, as always. And basically, if you look behind me, there's a window, and there's a bunch of flipping snow! There's a bunch of flipping snow! Oh my god, that is amazing. And then another amazing thing is, well, I don't know if this is amazing or not, but there's a blizzard tomorrow. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be like the blizzard of the decade. I am a decade old. Man, I just gave a spoiler. Okay. So we're about to get in about 4 hours or so. That's when the storm was starting to get rough. This is nothing. This is just a little sprinkle. I don't think you can see because my camera, also known as my iPod 4, is horrible. It sucks horribly. Okay. Also, I'm probably going to do another vlog tomorrow. Yeah, like I said, we're getting 24 to 30 whopping inches of flipping snow. Oh my gee. It is unbelievable. Like, I'm probably, if I look out my window tomorrow morning, I bet I'm just gonna see white. And I'm gonna wake up at 12 at night because that's when I wake up. Sadly. Yes. So, I hope you guys, you wouldn't enjoy this video. No, you wouldn't. As I was saying, look forward for tomorrow's video and goodbye. Snowstorm. Bye. Snowstorm. Bye. Snowstorm. That's just me with this thing. It's a Lego.